Hello students, today I am going to continue with the same topic, that is differential equation, chapter 9. In this chapter, today we will study about exercise 9.5, that is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation, very important exercise from the examination point of view. You know that homogeneous differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Firstly, we have to check the homogeneous, it is homogeneous equation or not. And for this, you can use there are two methods for solving homogeneous differential equation, correct? Okay, question number first. X square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square and dx. Correct. In this exercise, firstly note the point that each term contain power same. Every term की जो power है वो same होती है. देखो, degree of this term 2 and the degree of this term 1 plus 1 2, degree of this term 2 and 2. Each term having the same degree. It means the question related to the homogeneous differential equation. This is the first very important point about the homogeneous differential equation. Firstly, check the homogeneous differential equation is of which degree? Degree 2, degree 1 or degree 3, but maximum 3 degree. In this exercise, very important exercise, you know that dy by dx, that is x square plus y square upon x square plus xy. dy by dx. Not divide numerator and denominator by x square. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. You know that x square divided by x square 1. This divided by x square, y by x whole to the power 2 upon 1 plus y by x whole to the power 2. The complete question convert in the form of y by x. In the form of y by x. Here. If the complete question is the form of y by x, it means it is differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Here. If here dy by dx, then convert the question in the form of y by x. If here dx by dy, then convert the question in the form of x by y, which is homogeneous differential equation, dy by dx, which is homogeneous differential equation, which is homogeneous differential equation. Now in this exercise, let y by x is equal to v. Y by x is equal to v. Therefore y is equal to vx. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. V as it is derivative of x1 plus x as it is derivative of v dv by dx. Clear? Now put the value of y by x. Y by x you know v, and in place of dy by dx you can write this part. V plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. Put the value of y by x here. Y by x you know v, and in place of dy by dx you can write v plus x dv by dx. Correct? Now you know that x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. Shift this term to the right hand side. LCM 1 plus v square minus v minus v square. You know that v square to v square cancel. That is 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. X dv by dx. X dv by dx. Correct? Now from here it is the differential equation of the variable separable. Previous exercise. v वन टाइम्स एक तरफ शिफ्ट कर लो और x एक तरफ शिफ्ट कर लो. So you can write like this: 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Then integrate. Separate the variable, then integrate. Correct? Now you know that degree same, so you can divide 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v, that is minus 1 plus v upon sign change, you can say that is 2. It means you can write minus 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus v dv is equal to integration of 1 by x, you know, log x. Integration of 1 v minus 2 log 1 minus v is equal to log x plus c. Then put the value of v again. Put the value of v. Minus y by x minus 2 log 1 minus y by x is equal to log x plus c. Clear? Correct? Further you can simplify. Minus y by x minus twice log, if you take LCM, then x minus y by x is equal to log x plus c. Log x plus c. Now apply property log m minus log n, or this is answer. Right? This is question number 1 of homogeneous differential equation. Next, in this exercise, next question, very important exercise, question number 3. X minus y dy is equal to x plus y dx. Now can you tell me what is the value of dy by dx? देखो dy by dx that is x plus y upon x minus y. Now divide numerator denominator by x. Divide numerator denominator by x. 1 plus y by x upon 1 minus y by x. dy by x. Now let y by x is equal to be the same work in every question. हर क्वेश्चन में ये वर्क करना तुम्हें. So therefore put the value of dy by dx. v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Now separate the variable x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v LCM 1 minus v 1 plus v minus v plus v square. Correct? Now wait, we cancel. Therefore 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v. Now separate the variable. Separate the variable. Now separate the variable. Differential equation with the variable separable. So separate the variable that you can write. That is you can write 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Separate the variable. Right. Now integrate. Separate the term 1 upon 1 plus v square dv minus integration v upon 1 plus v square dv and the integration of 1 by x, log x plus c. Now can you tell me the integration of this? Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square, that is 1 by 8 tan inverse x by 8. So you can say tan inverse v minus the derivative of this 2v, so multiply and divide by 2. So you can write 1 by 2 log 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus c. Now put the value of v. Put the value of v. Put the value of v. Tan inverse y by x minus 1 by 2 log, that is x square plus y square upon x square is equal to log x plus c. Tan inverse y by x minus 1 by 2 log m by log n, log m by n, that is log m minus log n. Property log x square plus y square minus plus 1 by 2 log x square is equal to log x plus c. Clear? And the property of log, according to the property of log property के according ये 2 आ भी जाएगा. तो 2 यहाँ शिफ्ट करोगे तो 2 से 2 cancel. It is log x. Then log x to log x cancel. This is the answer. Tan inverse y by x minus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square is equal to c. This is the answer. You can check. Next, question number 5th. X square dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy. Dividing both side by x square. Dividing both side by x square. क्योंकि dy by dx का कोफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए. dy by dx कोफिशिएंट. So dividing both side by x square. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus twice y by x whole square plus y by x. Now same work. Let y by x is equal to v, y is equal to vx, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. What is the value of dy by dx? Put here. Value of dv by dx. v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2 v square plus v. And you know that v to v cancel. V to v cancel. Now separate the term. 1 upon 1 minus 2 v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Integrate you can solve 1 by x square minus a square, right? Take 2 common, 1 by 2 common. You can write 1 by root 2 whole square minus v square dv is equal to log x plus c. Formula, you know, 1 upon a square minus x square formula. 1 upon a square minus x square. That is formula 1 by 2a. Formula, you know, 1 by 2a. A, you know, 1 by root 2 log a plus x upon a minus x. A plus x. 1 by root 2 plus v upon 1 by root 2 minus v is equal to log x plus c. Then this will cancel. Root 2 by 4. Root 2 by 4 you can write 1 by 2 root 2. And log, put the value of y. Put the value of y. Value of y you can put. That is 1 by root 2 plus y by x upon 1 by root 2 minus y by x is equal to log x plus c. Clear? This is the solution of this question number 5. Correct? Clear? So you can solve this exercise. Thank you.